Alright, let's round 14.95 to the nearest tens. Okay, so you have 14.95. Let's identify the place value first. This is what we call the hundredth place. This will be the 10th place. This will be the ones place. And this will be the tens place. So it's important to take note between tens and tenth. Alright, so in this case we want nearest tens. So how do we go about rounding to the nearest tens? So first we have to identify the tens place. We don't want the ones, we don't want the tenth, we don't want hundredth. Okay, so this number is in between which two tens? So it's in between 1 10 and 2 tens. Okay, the next thing to take note is please do not have any decimal, because they don't want any decimal, they only want the tens place. So we have to determine whether this number is closer to 110, which is 10, or 2 tens, which is 20. So since the number beside it, the ones place is 4, is closer to 10. Therefore, the answer will be 10. Alright, let's move on to the next question. So we have to round 14.95 to the nearest whole number, or sometimes we call it the ones place. So 14.95 is in between which two ones or whole number. So whole number is here, or the ones place is here. Okay, 4 is the ones place, so we only want ones place and above. We do not want the 10th, we don't want the 100th. Okay, so 14.95 is in between 14 and 15. Alright, so since in the 10th place the place value beside it is 9, is closer to 15. Therefore, when you round 14.95 to the nearest ones place or the nearest whole number, the answer is 15. Okay, let's move on. Now we have to round to the nearest 10th. So we have 14.95. The 10th place is here. So we only want 10th and above. We don't want the 100th place. So this number is in between which two 10th place? So it's in between 14.9 and 15.0. Okay, so since it's 5, it's closer to 15.0. It is important to note that because they want the 10th place, even if the 10th place is a 0, you need to indicate the 0. Okay, the exception will be if you look at above, whole number, they want the whole number, so please do not give the 0. If you give a decimal, they're going to mark you wrong, so it's inaccurate. But when they ask for the 10th place, if it's a 0, you have to give the 0.